All right, Officer Helios. I feel it's my duty as an animal lover to teach you why the squirrels in this park are, in fact, benefiting the ecosystem of their habitat. Okay, here we are in a meso-ecosystem, right? Middle-sized. This is the habitat for frogs and toads and lily pads. All good? I want you to watch that rock over there and tell me if you don't notice it do something extraordinary. Something so totally cool, cooler than anything you've ever seen before. Have a look. Whoa! There it is.
Teacher!
Did you see it?
Wow!
Pretty cool, right?
Teacher, that rock is a toad.
Yeah.
And it just ate a fly.
Oh, you mean it just stole a fly?
No, it ate a fly.
Well, then it stole a fly. You know, ate a fly, stole a fly.
No, teacher. It ate what it needs to survive. It's eating.
Huh? Well, what do you know? Officer Helios making my point for me.
Teacher, what? What is going on?
Oh, nothing. Just the subject of our next lesson. The food chain.
The food what?
The food chain refers to the order of events in an ecosystem where one organism, just like that toad, eats another organism like that fly. Later, that toad is consumed by another larger organism, like some hawk somewhere. This is what's called the food chain, and it's essential to our ecosystem.
Okay, so?
So, you've proven my point.
What point, teacher?
That the squirrels in the park, these squirrels that eat nuts just like toads eat flies, are an essential part of the ecosystem.
Stardust. No.
No?
No.
Well, let me paint the picture a little more. The food chain starts with the sun.
Which sun?
That sun. It beams down its energy to the first level of the food chain, the producers.
Oh, like in TV?
No, not like in the television industry. The producers in a food chain are things like plants, which produce their own food. Remember, we call them autotrophs.
Autotrophs, like trees. Trees make their own food.
Exactly. Trees produce their own food and nutrients. So green plants like trees, flowers, grass, these are all producers. Now, this is where the squirrels come in. The squirrels are part of the second level of the food chain, the consumers.
The stealers.
The consumers are any organism dependent on plants for food. They consume the producers.
Like herbivores?
Very good. Herbivores eat plants and are therefore consumers, just like a squirrel. A squirrel eats nuts, so it is a consumer. Herbivores are called primary consumers because they're the first to eat the plants.
Primary stealers?
Carnivores, which are animals that eat other animals, are called secondary consumers because they eat the primary consumers.
Like the toad?
Exactly like the toad. The toad ate the fly, so the toad was a secondary consumer because it ate the fly that ate the plants. You see how the food chain builds?
Maybe.
So we have the sun, which gives energy to the producers, which are eaten by primary consumers, which are then eaten by secondary consumers. And this continues as energy passes from one level of organism to the next. And you know, the final level of the food chain is pretty boring. Just organisms eating dead people.
What?
Well, it's true. We call them decomposers.
What?
The final level of the food chain are decomposers, organisms that get energy from dead organic matter. Things like a dead tree, a dead animal, or even, yes, a dead human.
Oh, yuck, teacher. There can't be animals that do this.
Well, there are. Worms, bacteria, insects, they convert, say, a dead fox into inorganic materials like soil. This soil is then used by producers, thus starting a whole new food chain.
Carnivores, people eaters. Teacher, if I stay on Earth, would something eat me?
I mean, if a carnivore didn't eat you, then a worm probably would.
Ah, no, I'm leaving. I'm I'm going home.
Hang on, calm down, Helios. I'm sorry, that was a little dark. Science, well, it can be a little dark sometimes.
It's scary.
It can be. I'm sorry about that.
I don't love it anymore.
Oh, okay, well, let me put this lesson into perspective then. Would you allow me one more lesson on this? A chance to reignite your love of this wonderful area of study.
I don't want to learn any more about food.
It's not about food. It's about the most beautiful ecosystem on Earth. A place people can't even go without help.
A roof?
Not quite. Take a deep breath, Helios. Here we go.
Back! No! Wrong! Wrong, human! Pick that up! Wrong! Do it again! The right way! Go, squirrel! Go ahead! You're right! No! Human! Back! Back off! Oh! Oh! Oops!
It's okay, Helios.
Oh, sorry, teacher.
No, don't worry about it. At this rate, I don't need to shower.
Oh, you'd be saving water. Water is a precious resource.
Is it?
Oh, but teacher, I'm the only way this ecosystem will survive.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Teacher, I'm the protector.
You are, don't get me wrong, but yes, you're a very good protector and I'm very proud of you. But the ecosystem is also very good at adapting to protecting itself.
Adapting? I thought that was just plants and animals.
Well, think about it, Helios. An ecosystem is essentially that, right? Plants and animals interacting. So whatever plants and animals do to adapt and survive is what the ecosystem is doing to sustain itself.
Against predators?
More against time.
Death?
No. With an ecosystem, it's more about seasons. Every ecosystem must change to survive the changes of the seasons. For example, in the summer, what do squirrels normally do?
Squirrels store food for the winter.
Exactly. In the summer, animals are active and preparing for the winter. We can see that right now. Very good. What's the next season?
Fall.
Right, fall or autumn. Some animals eat a lot of food to add fat to their bodies and stay warm for the winter. Some animals grow more fur.
Teacher, do you grow fur?
No, humans don't grow fur for the winter. We just, buy sweaters and scarves.
Online shopping.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Anyway, winter is the next season. This is when plants and animals really need to adapt to survive for their ecosystems. I mean, some animals even just leave.
They leave the earth?
No, Helios. They leave their homes for warmer places. This is something we call migration. Birds usually migrate to the same place every year. Monarch butterflies also migrate, but other animals don't even migrate at all. They simply stay where they are and go to sleep.
They sleep?
This is called hibernation.
Do you do that?
No, humans can't really hibernate, but certain animals can. What they do is they slow their heart rate down to save energy for months at a time. It's wired into their systems.
Lucky.
You're telling me. Anyway, so for winter adaptation we have migration, hibernation, and we also have camouflage. This is when an animal grows white fur to blend into their environment.
Physical adaptation.
Very good, Helios. Camouflage certainly is a physical adaptation, and it's one that predators and prey use to their advantage.
Oh, wow. So much happens in the winter.
See what I mean? Plants and animals have developed tons of seasonal adaptations to survive and continuing supporting their ecosystems throughout the year.
Plants too?
Of course, plants and trees usually go dormant during the winter.
Dormant?
Well, dormant means the plant isn't growing, but its roots are still healthy in the soil.
Oh, like hibernation.
I suppose you could say that. A dormant plant is hibernating. Yeah, that works.
But teacher, everything eventually wakes up, right?
Oh, of course, absolutely. During spring, animals wake up from their hibernation and begin looking for food. Those that migrated return to their summer homes.
And trees make nuts.
Plants and trees bring forth flowers and fruits. That's correct. And many animals mate and reproduce during spring.
And then it's summer again.
And then summer finally returns and animals start looking for food again. And the cycle starts all over.
Wow, teacher, so much is happening all the time. Like right now, inside this ecosystem, and then throughout the year. All the time. It's so much.
Really makes you appreciate the planet, doesn't it?
Ooh.
All living things need to change and adapt to ensure their survival. And that keeps our ecosystems going and our planet healthy.
Wow, I want to hug the earth.
The whole Earth?
Yes, I want to hug it. It does so much for us.
Well, I don't know. Oh. Helios, did you just hug the whole planet?
Yes, teacher. I'm tired now.
I'll say.
Teacher,
Yes?
I wanted you to know something.
And what's that, Helios?
I helped a squirrel.
Oh, fantastic. You've really changed your tune.
Yes.
So how did you help it? What did it want?
Oh, you what?
My what? Oh, Helios, you can't...
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios. You can't help squirrels take people's things, because that is stealing. You ca... Well, that seems to be it for today. I hope you learned something new about ecosystems. And remember to do your part protecting yours. It's all connected. Oh, and if you see a golden watch, let me know. All right. Bye-bye. Whew. Helios, what are you...
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios? What were you talking about back there? Squirrels can't steal things.
They can, teacher. A squirrel steals nature. See?
They're not... Hey, don't spray that squirrel. He's only burying a nut.
Stealing.
He's not... Stop it. Put that down for a second.
Teacher, you're obstructing just this.
Just this... Justice. Obstructing justice. And I'm... Anyway, no. Helios, you're being a bully.
I'm protecting wildlife.
No, you're not. That squirrel is preparing for winter by hiding that nut underground. That nut is his food.
It belongs to the tree.
No, Helios, it belongs to the ecosystem.
Huh? The what?
The ecosystem. This park, the trees, that squirrel.
Ecosystem?
Oh boy. Look, an ecosystem is made up of all the living and non-living things in a given area. So, this park, where the trees interact with the squirrels, who interact with the soil, and, so on and so forth.
By stealing?
No, Helios, by balancing. Look, let's follow it. This tree produces seeds, remember?
Plants reproduce their own kind.
Exactly. Seeds are a form of reproduction for the tree, but they're also a form of food for the squirrels.
Squirrels eat the seeds?
Yeah, that's what they're doing when they hide the nut underground. They're preparing for winter by storing the food, so squirrels eat the seeds, but they also move them, which helps the tree reproduce in different areas.
So the squirrel is helping the tree?
Mm-hmm.
And the tree is helping the squirrel?
Yeah.
Like partners in crime.
Exactly, Helios. In an ecosystem, every plant and animal has their role to play, and each role affects all of the others. So, if you stopped the squirrels from hiding nuts, well, there would be less trees planted. And less trees planted would mean less space for birds to make their nests, or even less oxygen in the air.
Oh, I didn't realize I was making it worse.
Well, it's not immediately obvious, is it?
No.
Well, that's all right, Helios. Now you know. Ecosystems can be big, small, hot, cold, anywhere communities of organisms are interacting. Like here.
Oh, worms stealing soil.
No, Helios. This
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios. This is a micro-ecosystem, meaning small.
A small ecosystem?
Right. It's a small community of organisms interacting with each other. And here, this is a meso-ecosystem, or medium-sized ecosystem.
Like the pond, too?
Yeah, like the pond. Very good. And then there are the biggest type of ecosystems. We call them biomes.
Biomes? Those are rainforests and deserts.
Exactly. Biomes are things like whole rainforests or a whole desert. A biome is a massive web of living and non-living interaction.
But wait, teacher, I thought rainforests and deserts were called habitats.
Ah, Helios, I like the way that you...
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios, I like how you're paying attention. Biomes and habitats are both ecosystems, but they have differences. How about we compare them in the next lesson?
I don't think I have time for another lesson, teacher. I haven't finished my shift yet.
I think 7-Eleven has already figured that out.
Oh, okay. I guess. Squirrel! Squirrel!
No, Helios, come... Oh... All right, who's the jokester? All right, who's there? Oh, Helios.
I'm here.
Helios, what are you doing here?
Officer Helios.
What?
I'm an officer, teacher. Officer Helios.
Officer Helios.
Uh-huh.
Right. What are you an officer of?
This park. Yeah.
Then why does your uniform say 7-Eleven? Helios, why were you even...
Officer Helios.
Officer Helios? Why were you squirting me with water? I wasn't doing anything.
You were littering.
Littering? What the... What? That?
Yes, that is litter. Bad.
But I wasn't done with that. Ugh. Helios, I wasn't finished with it.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I can't get mad at you, can I? You're doing a good thing.
Yeah, I'm protecting the local wildlife.
You certainly are. I mean, this park is a very important home for local animals and plants.
Yes.
And I bet monitoring humans keeps you very busy.
Squirrels.
Squirrels?
Squirrels keep me very busy, teacher. Squirrels are the worst.
Why are they... What do you mean?
Teacher, squirrels steal everything.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, they... Oh, squirrel! Squirrel!
Well, hang on. Helios! Helios? Helios, I'm not lowering my voice. I want every squirrel in this entire park to hear.
Officer Helios.
You... No. Officer Helios. I've already explained to you that squirrels are not harming the ecosystem. They are, in fact, benefiting the ecosystem by playing their part.
He has sandwich.
That's besides the... He has my what? Hang on.
Don't worry. I've got him.
What do you mean you've got... Helios, but... Too late.
It won.
I guess I didn't realize how bold the squirrels in this park were. Gee whiz.
They're park squirrels, teacher. Very different from forest squirrels.
I guess... Hey, you know, that's a very good point, Helios.
Forest squirrels?
Yeah, how forest squirrels are different from park squirrels. It's perfect, actually.
For what?
For our next lesson. You wanted to know the difference between biomes and habitats, right?
Yes.
Well, the difference between forest squirrels and park squirrels is the perfect explanation.
One steal.
Sort of, yeah. A park squirrel lives in its park habitat and acts in its, well, park way. Whereas a forest squirrel lives in a forest habitat and acts in its forest way. A habitat is basically wherever a specific population of organisms lives.
So this park is the habitat for park squirrels.
Exactly. They occur here naturally. They live here. So this is a habitat, but a biome is global, it's huge. When we talk about a biome, we're talking about an entire region of the world interacting.
A habitat is a local ecosystem. A biome is a global ecosystem.
Perfectly put, Helios.
Is this garden a habitat?
Well, yeah, it is. It's where these particular bees live and where these particular flowers grow naturally. This garden is the habitat.
Teacher! Teacher! The cactus we saw, it lived in its desert habitat.
Excellent connection. That cactus we visited was living in its desert habitat. Animals like the camel and the rattlesnake also live in desert habitats.
And the polar bear we saw was living in its ice habitat.
Well, we would call it a polar habitat, but yeah, that's right, Helios. Wow, you are on fire today.
Oh, what?
Oh, no. Don't panic, Helios. I didn't mean that literally. I mean, you're making lots of connections today. You're doing very well.
Oh,
You've identified 3 of the 5 major habitats on Earth. Forests, deserts, and now polar and mountain habitats.
the polar bear lives in its polar habitat.
As do penguins and seals. And then there's the equally cold mountain habitat where you can find mountain goats, sheep, and the snow leopard.
Huh? Oh. Forest, desert, polar, and mountain habitats.
And
Ooh.
aquatic.
Oh, yes. The fish.
Fish, toads, seaweed. The aquatic habitat comprises all the water bodies on the planet. So, you have freshwater habitats like rivers and ponds. You've got marine habitats, which are, well, the oceans. And you've got coastal habitats, which is where the land meets the sea.
Wow, so many habitats.
Well, those are the major ones. Forest, desert, polar and mountain, and aquatic. But habitats can also be small gardens, just like this one. Anywhere that a population lives is its habitat.
And a park is the habitat for bad squirrels.
Let's call them park squirrels, because the park is where this particular adventurous population of squirrels lives.
Teacher, I don't think park squirrels help their habitats.
No, they do.
No.
They contribute to the balance, Helios.
No, I don't think so.
Helios, they do.
They can't be trusted, teacher. They're the enemy.
Well, well then, I think I ought to teach you exactly how, without a doubt, squirrels are innocent creatures, not enemies. For their sake, Helios? Helios? Okay, let's do that right now.
Wow!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Where
Well, Helios, we are at the Great Barrier Reef, off the coast of Australia.
The most beautiful garden I've ever seen.
It's not a garden.
Ooh, this is the most beautiful forest I've ever seen.
Not a forest either.
This is the most beautiful group of plants I've ever seen.
Those aren't plants.
Teacher, what?
Helios, these are animals.
Where?
Here.
There?
No, Helios, there. Those swaying things. These are invertebrate animals called corals. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, as you can see here.
Ooh, these are all the same thing.
The same animal, yeah. Each individual coral is called a polyp, and each polyp lives in a large group of other polyps called a colony, which is what we see here, a colony of polyps.
Teacher, how are these polyps animals? I don't understand.
Well, surprisingly, each one of these polyps has a stomach and a mouth opening, surrounded by tentacles. That's all you need to be an animal, really.
Wait, these are all mouths?
They are, but don't worry, Helios, they can't eat you.
Oh, but I'm surrounded by mouths.
Yes, but that's not how they mainly eat. There's a tiny single-celled plant that lives inside the polyp called zooxanthellae.
Zowie.
Zooxanthellae. They're tiny plants that live within a polyp's folds and share nutrients with it.
Ooh, they feed each other?
They do. This is the beginning of that amazing ecosystem that I was telling you about. The zooxanthellae sustain the polyps, and the polyps grow these massive rock structures you see underneath them.
The tiny polyps build these huge things?
Reefs, yeah. These itty-bitty polyps secrete itty-bitty amounts of chalk, and over time the chalk builds into these rock-like structures. We call them coral reefs. And guess what?
What?
You can see them from space.
Oh, teacher.
Amazing, right? Coral reefs are the largest living structure on the planet, and the only living structure visible from space.
Such a big ecosystem.
Absolutely. Coral reefs are known as the rainforests of the sea because they provide shelter for hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of other marine species. You'll see tons of marine life down here.
Look, a Siamese snake.
That's an octopus.
And look, flowering plants.
And those are sea anemones.
And look, oh, look, a star. Teacher, a star. Wow.
That's a starfish, Helios.
Oh, teacher, I'm going to live here forever.
Okay, but if you did, you'd have to do your part. Corals are one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world, which means there's thousands of elements working together to keep it healthy.
Ooh, I'd be a dancer.
But you know what else you could be? The protector.
The protector? My wand. Where's my wand?
Oh, don't worry about it, Helios. I don't think a wand would work down here.
Stardust.
But what you could do is raise awareness about how coral reefs are disappearing.
What? No, not another thing.
Unfortunately, yes. Coral reef ecosystems are severely threatened. Some threats are natural, such as diseases and predators, but sadly other threats are, well, caused by people.
You. Again.
Me again, yes. Pollution again. Too much fishing. Climate change.
Then you need to leave right now, teacher. Bye.
Well, no, Helios, it's not what humans do down here that counts. As we've said before, it's what humans do at home that matters.
Ooh, on land?
Yeah, remember, by protecting your home, you protect this home.
Ooh, right. Habitat protection.
Exactly.
So, I should keep telling humans not to litter.
Yeah, keep reminding them to take care of their own little patches of earth. And that way, the oceans, the reefs, they'll all be taken care of too. Because in the end, it all connects.
Like an ecosystem.
Yeah, at the end of the day, Earth is one big ecosystem where everything is connected to each other. All actions matter.
Okay.
Helios? Oh, well, that certainly changed his tune. Good thing I didn't mention the hammerhead sharks. Or the barracuda. Or the eels. I think I'm ready to go too.